Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. So, finally, the news which we were quite apprehensive about has come that lockdown has been extended till 31st May of this month. Yes, that has been extended. So, as we know that it was the last day of lockdown 3 today, and tomorrow, a lockdown fourth. First day will be there, so we have to follow it, of course. As before moving on to the greater detail of the lockdown 4, we need to understand that this all has been done in our own benefit. As we know that recovery rate has already improved to such a great extent. I think it has reached up to 35% of the total infected cases, but there are again so many cases, so many new cases which are coming up on a daily basis, especially from Delhi, Gurgaon, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, of course, the worst hit state. So by keeping all these things in mind, government has to take this measures, and it has taken actually. So let's move on to the order that has been issued by NDMA. NDMA is basically authority that has exercised its power under Disaster Management Act, and that is National Disaster Management Authority. So finally, as you can see the date over here, that is 17th May 2020. So basically, this authority has exercised its power under an Disaster Management Act. So as you can read over here, considering the fact that lockdown measures need to be implemented for a further period in the country to contain the spread of COVID-19, NDMA in exercise of power under the respective section of Disaster Management Act hereby directs the ministries, department of the government of India, state government and state authorities to continue the lockdown measures up to 31st May 2020. And authority further directs the NEC, that is National Executive Committee, basically that formulates the guidelines. So it has directed this authority as well to issue modifications in the guideline as necessary, keeping in view the need to open up economic activities while containing the spread of COVID-19. So finally, this lockdown has been extended up to 31st May, and respective guidelines has already been issued by NEC. So basically, we need to follow these guidelines not only in letter but also in spirit. That means we just need not to follow these guidelines just to show off and to show that we are following the measures taken by the government or directed by the government. Rather, we have to take care of our own safety. We have to follow in spirit as well. So by doing so, we will be able to take care of ourselves, we will be able to take care of our family, and by doing so, of course, we will be very helpful for the country as a whole. So guys, just take care of yourself, follow the guideline that has already been issued, maintain social distancing, keep washing your hands on time to time, don't go outside, stay in home. So these are the things that you can follow, that is, after all, in your own safety, in the safety of your in the welfare of your family, and as a in the welfare of country as a whole. So guys, I hope you would have liked this news. So though from economic point of view, it is not the news that is to be liked, but yes, this is the only option that we have to follow as of now. So thank you so much and have a nice time.